Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Vedika. So today we are going to solve the question of CBSE examination 2026 class 10th. Okay, the question is from case study, and the question is: your elder brother wants to buy a car and plans to take a loan from a bank for his car. He repays his total loan of 1,18,000 by paying every month, starting with the first installment of rupees 1,000 and increases the installment by 100 every month. So based on the given information, we have to find the amount paid by him in the 30th installment. Okay, so the moment we see the question or read the question, we come to the conclusion that this question is from arithmetic progression, where we have to find the 30th installment. It means we have to find the 30th term of the AP. Okay, so 30th term of the AP, the formula is A plus n minus 1D. Okay, so A plus n minus 1 will be 29D, where the amount of the first installment is 1,000, so A will be 1,000. Okay, and every month amount is increased by installment amount is increased by rupees 100. It means common difference will be rupees 100. Okay, so T30, that is amount in 30th installment, will be 1,000 plus 29 into 100. Okay, so it will be 3,900 rupees. Okay, so this is question number 1. Question number 2, if the total number of installments is 40, what is the amount paid in the last installment? Okay, so n is 40, so total installment is 40, so we have to find the amount in last installment. It means we have to find the 40th term of the given AP. So T40 will be A plus 39D. Okay, A is 1,000 and 39 into D will be 3,900, so it will be 4,900 rupees. Okay, here we can also check that if the number of installment is 40, then in 40 installments all the amount of 1,18,000 will be paid. So we can check by finding S40, that is sum of all installments in 40 installments. What is the sum of all amounts? Okay, so that will be 40 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1D, that is 39D, that is 3,900. Okay, so 20 into 2,000 plus 3,900, so 20 into 5,900, so it is 1,18,000. Okay, so this 1,18,000 was the total loan amount, and in 40 installments all the amount are paid. So we can verify that in 40 installments the sum is equal to 1,18,000, that is all the loan amount is paid in 40 installments. So this is the verification of the fact that all the loan amount is paid in 40 installments. Okay, now come to the question number 3. The question number 3 is: what amount does he still have to pay after 30th installment? Okay, after 30th installment, what is the loan amount left to be paid? Okay, so we'll find out how much amount is paid in 30 installments. So we'll find the sum of 30 terms, so it will be n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1D. This is the formula of sum of n terms. Okay, so here n is equal to 30, so 30 by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, that is 2900. Okay, now here 15 into 2000 plus 2900. Okay, so 15 into 4900 00, so 73,500 rupees is paid in 30 installments. Okay, so after 30 installments, amount left to be paid is equal to total loan amount 1,18,000 minus 73,500. Okay, so that will be equal to 44,500 rupees. Okay, okay, now question number third B. This was the question number third A. Okay, so third B question is, find the ratio of the 10th installment to the last installment. Okay, so we have to find 10th installment to the last installment ratio. Okay, so this will be A plus 90 and this will be A plus 3090. Okay, so 1000 plus 9 into 100, so 900. 1000 plus 39 into 100, 3900. So this will be 1900 divided by 4900. 0 will be cancelled out, so the ratio, required ratio will be 19 is to 49. Okay, this is the required answer. I hope you understood the solution of this question. So we'll meet in next video with some other question. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.